What's going on, guys? It's Sierra Brooks from the Grand Hustle Season 1, and I am here in Jamaica, Queens, shooting another episode for Kicks and Fits. This time, I'm rocking out with the black Air Force Ones. I'm about to try to find an outfit for this, so make sure that you guys stay tuned. Black Air Force Ones. First of all, these are classic. I don't even like black shoes, but when it comes to the Air Force Ones, they are a must. If you don't have a pair of these in your closets, you're not a true sneakerhead. It's just a thing for the culture. Like, we grew up on Nelly. We grew up stomping in our Air Force Ones. What I think I'll be looking for is something like the 90s. Like, when I think of Air Force Ones, I think of like throwback, you know, like bad boy era. So I'm thinking of something in the 90s that I'm gonna find for the Air Force Ones. Hopefully I can find it, because that's the goal. If I don't have it in my head, then I don't know. We're gonna have to see what I can work with. All right, guys, let's go shop and see what I can find. I feel like when it comes to like comfortable apparel, you can be unisex. Like, you can wear men's apparel, you can wear women's. I'm liking these right here. I like this color scheme. They're a little too baggy. If I could wish for one thing, it would be hips. Wish I had some hips, damn it. Is it a contradiction to rep the Nike Air Force One, you know, with New York and then Miami? I don't know, we might gotta keep looking. Let's see, let's check the women's. Let's see if they got something. Okay, who doesn't love a legging? These are cute. Looks a little plain with the shoes. We gotta turn up. Even though it's classic, we still gotta look good. No offense to the leggings, but we need a little bit more flair. Let's look like a sheep. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe if I did that with the black legging, this right here, this gives me more money, more problems. Back in the day. I like that. I know we said we needed some flair, but this is too much. This is too much sauce. This is way too much sauce right here. They not ready for that one. We're gonna keep looking. But I'm trying to think, should I add some color to it? Because we already got the all black Air Forces. I don't know. I like this one. I like the pink. This is all the flair we need right here. See? Not too much. Just enough. I like the actual hoodie because it's not, like, we get it. We know it's Nike. We got the checks. We know just do it. We get it. But I like how, you know, the silver and gold is right here. It's just enough flair. I feel like it's just enough flair. This is the option. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Okay. Came through with the bodysuit. Nike got y'all lit. I didn't even know you had bodysuit sweat material. Like, this is a thing. This just made me so excited just now. I really like this. I like this. All right, we're gonna have to figure out a bottom for this. Oh, is a pant to it? It's a pant to this. That's what I'm looking for. It is a pant to it. Help me, please. Hey. I like that. I think this is it. This is what we're going with. Alex, this is my final answer, okay? So we know it's a medium and I need a small, but I'm gonna try it on. Nothing's worth a try, so let me try it on and see how it works. So I am back with my Nike Air Fit. Get the stomping in my Air Force One. I'm obsessed with bodysuits, so I had to do the bodysuits. And who doesn't love a good legging? It's comfortable, it's comfy, and it's stylish. And I love a little rose gold action. I feel like it was just the right amount of I think it fits good with the Forces. Like, I feel like if I had on a high top, it would like take over the fact that it's an actual legging. So because of the fact that it's a low top, it's able to show that, you know, it's a Nike and it's also a legging at the same time. So shout out to Air Forces. Y'all did that. Y'all did what y'all had to do. So thanks, you guys. Make sure that you follow me at Official Sierra Brooks and let me know what you guys think of the outfit. And thank you so much for watching my episode of Kicks and Fit.